I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action. GamiPress. Connect. Connected with GamiPress successfully. Next. Choose an action. Choose an enter point. Map the respective fields. I am using custom form fields. You can use a number field on your form field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now create a new user. Go to incognito mode and log into your new site which you recently created. Go to the site post and post a comment. And go to another site and go to comment and approve the comment. Now go to your user's profile, and you can see here after the comment the points balance was added successfully. Thanks for watching.